What you gonna do about it?
Yeah, really?
What's up? What's up? Don't come at me like that, bro.
What the hell was that?
Don't come at me.
That's what I'm talking to you.
No.
Well, put it over there or something.
I'm not putting nothing.
He just came at you. Why?
Because I'm recording.
Stop, man. Stop.
I'm trying to record
You're freaking me out, and I don't
For
want to
what?
do this. Can you just make sure?
Why am I freaking you out?
Because this isn't normal action. This is not how normal people act. All right? All right?
My freedom of press.
So I watched you get beat up. But
Yeah, oh yeah. That's why he got punched in the mouth.
I'm assuming if I can ask you for your name, you're not going to.
It is not. Nope.
No, he didn't. He punched you in the face.
What's up, everybody? It's Constitution State here today. Today's video comes from J-Mass Transparency. We're going to keep this intro short because this video is crazy. We're just going to show you the characters real quick and where it happened. We always put videos out where people get assaulted by people and everybody says, why didn't you defend yourself? This is one of the videos where the guy defends himself. So I don't want to hear it in this one. Go check his channel out. It took place at the Nubian Station in Boston. J-Mass Transparency decided he was going to record it and do a review. And somehow this Karen, Daren, whatever you want to call him, took it as he was recording him and he didn't like it. He decided to start an altercation and it didn't benefit him. There was Boston police officers parked right across the street that saw the whole thing. They all had their gang badges out, wearing regular clothes. They just got vests on. That's professional. They do absolutely nothing and they harass the victim. Here they are now after they ganged up on him, assaulted him, and searched him for nothing.
Don't tell me what to do. Don't tell me what to do. What you gonna do about it?
Yeah, really?
What? What's up? What's up? What's up? Don't come at me like that, bro. Don't come at me like that.
What the hell was that?
Don't come at me.
That's what I'm talking to you.
No.
Well, put it over there or something.
I'm not putting nothing.
He just came at you. Why?
Because I'm recording.
Why are you recording him?
I'm not recording nobody. I'm recording everything I can see.
Right, but he's mad at you because he thinks you're recording him.
No, I'm recording everything I can see.
You can keep recording, but while I'm
Don't touch me. Nope. Don't touch me. That's
We're not
Fourth
going to do.
Amendment.
We're
That's
not
the
going
Fourth
to do
Amendment.
this.
That's the Fourth Amendment.
Do you have
Don't
something
touch
on
me.
you that's dangerous?
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. That's
Do
the
you have
Fourth
any
Amendment
weapons
right.
on you or
That's
something
the
like
Fourth
that?
Amendment right.
You know him?
Don't touch me.
I'm
Don't touch me.
I'm going to touch you because I have to make sure that you don't have weapons or anything like
Don't
that.
touch
You're
me.
out here fighting in broad daylight.
He came at me.
I understand that.
Okay, then
but I got
why
to make sure that you
why
don't
are
have
you here
weapons.
to me? Why are you here at me? Don't
Because
touch
you're
me.
a part of the fight, my man. Don't
Because
do
he
this.
started
Do you have
it.
anything sharp
Don't
on you?
touch me.
My man,
Bro.
Stop.
Don't
Stop,
touch
my
me,
man.
bro.
Come out.
Bro.
Come out.
Yo.
Do you have anything
Yeah,
on, do you have anything on you
looking
that's
for a lawsuit
sharp?
right
My
now.
man,
Don't
stop.
touch
What are
me,
you
bro.
doing, man?
You touch me for no reason.
No, my man, we just want to make sure you don't have a weapon. You're out here fighting in broad daylight.
Don't touch me,
So
bro.
if you don't have a weapon, you'll be fine.
Don't touch me.
Do you have anything sharp on you?
Don't touch me, bro.
Stop, man. Stop.
No,
Stop.
you're touching me. All right. Well, you're
My man, do you have a knife on
because
you?
you started
Do you have a
it.
knife on you?
He has a lighter.
Do you have a knife on you?
Okay, then don't.
Yeah.
Why y'all touching
My
me?
man, because you gotta calm down. You guys
No,
are
I'm not gonna come down because you're touching me.
My man, why are you doing this? Why are you doing this?
Because I can. It's my constitutional
I gotta
right.
make sure you don't have a weapon, man. That's
I don't
all.
have no pockets. You're violating my fucking.
Then
Fourth
that's fine.
Amendment.
And you know what? You could take it up with someone, but I'm gonna make sure.
Hold, trust and believe. I'm gonna.
You definitely can, man. I'll give you all my info, but I gotta make sure that you're.
What's your name and badge number?
All right, 4308. My name is Eric McPherson. All right,
What's
do you have
your name?
anything sharp?
What's your name and badge number?
My man, stop. Stop, man. Stop.
I'm trying to record
You're freaking
you.
me out, and I don't
For
want to
what?
do this. Can you just make sure?
Why am I freaking you out?
Because this isn't normal action. This is not how
What,
normal people
me,
act.
freaking
All right? All right?
doing my freedom of press?
So what led you to
My
fight
freedom
with
of
him?
press?
My man, what
He
led you to
came
fight?
at me.
Right, but why?
Because I'm recording right here in the corner.
But why are you
And he's
recording
telling
him?
me, oh, don't do that.
Why are you recording him?
because I could record anything I can.
We're good. So, but
Like,
but I'm asking why he came.
y'all can't be coming up. I don't answer no questions. Y'all can't be coming up to me, touching me like y'all can do whatever y'all want.
Dude, I'm trying to look, my man.
No, you already violated me. I'm done talking to you. I'm done talking to you. You already violated me. I'm done talking to you.
You know what then? Then that's where we're at.
I'm done talking to you. I have a right to defend myself.
You just got beat up.
I didn't get nothing.
You did.
No, I didn't.
You did.
No, I didn't. No, the didn't.
Alright. Looks like he beat you up. Okay.
Do you see me any marks on me? Do you see me on the ground or anything? No, right?
I watched you get beat up. But
Yeah. Oh yeah. That's why he got punched in the mouth.
Alright, my man. Alright, brother.
I want everybody's name and badge number.
That's why we're down here. Yeah, that's why we're down here.
Name and badge number.
Sorry, 5555.
I don't know if you gave me your name and badge number. All right. And you already gave me yours.
I'm assuming if I can ask you for your name and you're not going to...
It is not. Nope. You're not getting shit. Trust and believe. I'm going to be making a complaint on y'all.
So you don't need medical, my man.
I'm good.
Right,
I have a. He didn't do shit.
Yeah,
He didn't do shit.
Yes, he did.
All he did was push me. I fucking snuffed the shit out of him.
No, he didn't. He punched you in the face.
He didn't touch on me.
Yeah, whatever you wanted to do.
Don't worry. I'll be making a complaint on y'all. Keep violating the Constitution. Pigs. Yes, sir. I got torn up. Yeah, okay. I fucking that right in the jaw.
I mean, what are they doing? They're showing up after the crime. They're not doing anything about it except for assaulting the victim and then leaving. You know who else does this? Gangs. You know who else jumps out on people like this? Gangs. It would be one thing if they pulled up and they saw two people fighting and they didn't know what was going on, but they knew he got attacked. The cop said it, and then he switched it to, oh, well, you were fighting. No, he was defending himself, and he's a victim here. So they watched him get assaulted for no reason. They know he didn't do anything wrong, and they know he's the victim, but they still need to pat him down, and they need to search him. They're just looking for a way to jam him up. They're looking for drugs or an actual weapon when they have no real reason to be touching him. Then he keeps saying, oh, you got beat up. You got punched in the face. Like, is that what officers do? That's how they treat the public? From this view, it didn't look like anybody got beat up. And it didn't look like he really did anything, except for got maybe a drink splashed on him, really. Look at how that old dude was holding his arms. There's no way he's throwing a real punch. I think overall they sucked. It's not how you treat the public, and it's definitely not how you treat somebody that was just assaulted, a victim of a crime that you witnessed. You don't turn around and try and rub it in their face because you're upset they wouldn't give you ID or let you touch them. Looks like it's horrible up there in Boston. Go check out his channel. Go show him some love. And I'll see you guys on the next one.